my second grade students. How are you? Today our class is special because it's a review. The objective of this class is remember to vocabulary about the animals at the zoo. Watch this video and practice. I hope you like it. Goodbye. See you in the next video class. I love you.
Welcome to Number Zoo. Good morning, animals. It's time to wake up. Wakey, wakey. Hello, furry lion. One lion.
Oh.
Hello, stripy zebra.
Oh.
One, two zebras. Hello, giraffe. My, what a long neck you have. One, two, three giraffes. Hello, cheeky monkeys. One, two, three, four monkeys. Hello, orange tiger. One, two, three, four, five tigers. Thank you for visiting Number Zoo. See you again soon.